Welcome back to Quick Oil and Brake, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset service lights like oil change, tire rotation, engine air filter. This is a Subaru 2016 Forester. If you go here, and this is a screen display. If you read, pull and hold set button to move to the selection screen. So you have to pull this one and hold, and you will see the screen like this. And then we go down and up. We're gonna go down to maintenance. Then we're gonna press set. Engine oil, again set. Then you can set and change the date. This is the month. I'm gonna put March or April. You can select by the way you driving, how many miles you drive in the month. Once you set this one, you have to press set. Let it go and press arrow key to next, set. And I'm gonna leave it over here, April 15, set again, and arrow key. This gonna change set, arrow key to 2025, set again, and I'm gonna do this one to 6,000 miles because I'm using a full synthetic. The oil runs up to 10,000 miles, but I'm gonna change it on a 6,000 miles. So 6, set again, to set here, setting complete. So this one, now I'm gonna use oil filter, which I already replaced, set, same thing, April 15, set, arrow key, 15 year, set, 2015, 2025, set, arrow key, 6,000, set, arrow set, complete. And now tire rotate I did. I'm gonna replace this one, that, okay, April, set, I'm gonna put the 15, set, okay, set again, 2025, set, drop mileage 6,000, okay, set again, arrow key to drop set, all set. All right, so this is the way you reset your notification for maintenance. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you like it, please thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.